Hello there, and welcome back to another video. This week we're going over part 5 of my ongoing series. Well, I guess it's not ongoing if this is the last one, but this is my growing up series. It's been week by week I've been depicting myself at a different age throughout growing up. So we started off a couple of weeks ago of me at age 5, then we did age 12, then we did age 15, last week was age 18, and now this is where we are today. So this is age 21, I'm 21 years old currently. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. Well, there's obviously a lot to say about right now because I'm living it, so I guess I can say a lot about it. But yeah, I'm kind of inarguably an adult, as much as I loathe to say it. I can't really, say anything else. I'm an adult, what else can you do? But I don't really feel like it. I still sort of feel like I did when I was 12, except without the emo angst of hormonal 12-year-old. If you want to see the other videos in this series, I'm going to put a little kind of button in the end card that has the playlist, hopefully, with them. And if not, you can just go to my channel. It's been week by week, so it'll be the last couple of videos have been all this series. So 21, this is all my own perception and my own idea. Think of it more of an artistic representation. I've kind of wanted this illustrated series to be more symbolic, so I kind of wanted to, compared to all the other drawings in this series, I wanted to kind of stand tall and proud and looking a little bit more straight, because the only one where I think I was standing was age 15 and I was kind of turned away from the camera. Then at age 5 I was like jumping, at age 12 I was sitting all grumpy and stuff, and at age 18 I was lounging around comfortably. So I'm kind of really happy with that first pose that I came up, but I don't think I liked it so much when I was drawing it, which is why I went to Pinterest and I tried to find another one. I think I did end up going with this second one, even though, looking back on the first one wasn't that bad. I think I'm going to use it for something else, maybe. I don't know if I did not go back to it. I did not. I ended up using this one, I remember, because I had the arm propped up in this new one. I wanted to do the arm crossed, sort of, not because arm crossed means that you're protecting and guarding yourself, more because arms crossed is like, I am strong and stubborn, sort of thing. But yeah, we ended up going with the second pose for the final pose, sadly. I don't know what was wrong with the first one. Why didn't I like it? Maybe it's because I wasn't able to showcase anything, and it was going to be hiding too much of the things that I wanted to do. So for the outfit, I think this is my favourite outfit. Obviously this is my favourite outfit out of all of them because it's what I kind of currently wear. So it's just some black leggings, very simple leggings, pretty skin tight, and then a little blazer and a white v-neck t-shirt. Also barefoot because I still live barefoot. Again, barefoot currently, self-proclaimed foot claustrophobic. But yeah, it's just leggings, a nice grey blazer. This blazer is actually a friend of mine's, but she can't wear it anymore, so she gave it to me, and then I get to wear it, and it's lovely. And yeah, I'm kind of smiling a little bit cheeky. I try to do jaw and cheekbones a little bit more. I personally don't think my face has changed even the slightest bit from when I was 5. But, for the sake of the artistry and the development, I kind of wanted it to be a little bit more chiseled or something. Grown up and matured, maybe. I doubt it, but well. So I said last week's video that I cut my hair, I chopped it all off when I was 19. So it went down past my butt. I would sit on it occasionally. It was that long. I would catch, if I had it in a ponytail, I'd catch it on my elbow. It would pull on doors. It was really long. I loved it long, but it was really long. And then I chopped it all off. I went really, really, really short when I was 19. And I think I have drawings of that somewhere. When I was 19, I did drawings of me with short hair at 19. I think I might just sandwich in here a little drawing of that time to show you how short it was. But I've been growing it out since, and now it's kind of past my shoulders a bit. It's not quite as short as it was when I was 5, but I don't think it's quite as long as it is in the drawing that I did of me at 12 just yet. I do have my bangs still, but they're growing out. They're longer than they've sort of been since I've chopped, because I've taken up cutting my own bangs, but I've got the friend that gave me the blazer kind of forbade me from chopping off my bangs again, and so in September we're going to be doing something crazy to my hair. I don't know what it is. You'll find out when I draw me with it. So bangs are growing out. They're in that awkward length now. And what else? I still have my red ends. Right now they're kind of faded, but I'm going to be painting them red when I start doing the shading. This hand, I didn't sketch it properly at all, and then I kind of had illusions of the silhouette of the fingers and stuff coming. If you heard those cracks, that was my fingers cracking, sorry. Or ASMR, you're welcome. So yeah, hopefully I managed to draw out the fingers properly when I do the line art and the shading the hands. I actually drew these quite a while before now when I'm recording the audio, so I don't remember really how much of this goes. I'm kind of just winging it as I'm telling you guys how it goes. I don't actually wear my blazers rolled up to my elbows. I haven't really tried it, but I do know that it's a different colour on the inside as it is on the outside, so we'll see how that looks. But yeah, I'm really happy with this outfit. It came out really nice, and it kind of, when it's going alongside the rest of the other, at the end of this video I'm going to do like this panning shot of all the growing up me's together in one image, but on the panning shot it kind of really does look like, oh, she's an adult, she's 21, she's so professional, she has like an office job and everything. I do have an office job, but it's really not that glamorous or anything. I don't feel like an adult in the slightest. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I still feel like I'm 12, and I think like I look like I'm 5, but not really. I'm just trying my very best here, guys. I'm trying my best. But yeah, I think this was kind of really self-reflective to draw. I had the most fun, like I said before, drawing the one of me at 12 because it was the funniest to look back on, and this isn't really looking back at all. It's like just look in the mirror and then there I am. But yeah, it was really interesting, and it felt like my current self-portrait. I might kind of update some profile pictures to this or something, I don't know. Art profile pictures, not like Facebook and LinkedIn profile pictures. Can you imagine I have LinkedIn now? What's life coming to? And yeah, red tips are still there, ring is still there, hair tie and watch. That's what I got right now. And hipster glasses are still here. I got a tattoo now, and I'm gonna do that I think soon, or maybe later, or is it gonna come now? Maybe not. It's an anklet of little X's. I also have something on my shoulder and Roman numeral 13 on the back of my neck. First tattoo was the one on the back of my neck. I got that one when I was 19, and I got the one on my ankle just in May, so not that long ago. It's just quite finished healing. For future reference, ankles are not very friendly to tattoos, especially on where your ankle bone juts out. That was really painful, and right in the back of your ankle, near the Achilles heel. That was a bitch to tattoo and a bitch to heal. Excuse my French, but I really like it. I'm really happy with it. I've been picturing myself with these tattoos since a couple of years now, so it's been really nice to actually have them on me now. I'm still freckly. I've just been in the sun this past week, so freckles have like quadrupled. I don't tan, I freckle. Glasses are still there. I think I'm so kind of pleased with how the shape of these glasses turned out, like, because I know that hipster glasses aren't exactly square. I mean, I look at them every day, honestly. I wear them, but they have this kind of roundness and like tapered down to the bottom kind of look to them, and I think I've never been able to draw them so good without kind of like trace them or kind of side by side compare them to a photo of them or something. But this just came out how it did, and I'm like on the floor with how good it looks. If you don't mind me tooting my own horn. But yeah, it's been a really interesting journey doing this series. I really do recommend this kind of a thing for people if you're looking for some sort of multi-illustration project to do. It's really good for reflecting, it's really good for nostalgia and like looking back to things, and even maybe some like mental health therapy kind of dealio. And it's also just fun to just have, especially if you've been drawing a long time, and you've grown and you have a lot of history of having illustrated or drawn yourself when you were younger. You're gonna have this, like, because I drew myself when I was 12. I think when I was 15 I sandwiched in, no, in the 12 when I sandwiched in a little chibi of me when I was 14 that I drew when I was 14, and so now I have those side by side to look at just my artistic growth. And yeah, that necklace I'm wearing actually just broke the other day. Even though I drew it a while ago, it just broke and I'm really sad. But yeah, this is me at 21. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment. Really let me know if you do this kind of a drawing project. I really do recommend it. And yeah, I'll see you all next week, hopefully with a new video. I don't really have anything planned right now, but we'll see how it goes. And yeah, thanks.